Hello there, we're going to go briefly through the alternating battle rope option. So grab your battle ropes, take it full extension and then step forward. So you actually want a little bit of slack in the ropes for these. Take a slight squat position, shoulders back, chin up, nice braced core, and we're going to lift one arm and then flick it down nice and quick so we end up with a wave going down the rope. We want to avoid lifting the entire rope up and then it slap down. So send a wave with one arm, send a wave with the other arm, and then keep going and try and keep that in time. So if you start to hear a heartbeat of bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, you need to try and even that out, one arm up, one arm down. Keep it steady, let the wrists move, and then you have the alternating battle ropes. Do that for the time prescribed in your program.